Hello, everybody. I have not recorded one of these videos since the beginning of the pandemic, but here we are. Just wanted to go ahead and do a couple quick announcements, let you guys know what's going on, and kind of explain how class will work for the next few days. I, my wife, tested positive for COVID, so then I went ahead and got tested since we live together, and turns out I tested positive as well. I am asymptomatic, um, feel fine. Hopefully, it'll stay that way. And anyway, because of school policies, have to stay home for 5 days. So the weekend is included in that, but I will be home today, which is Friday, and then next Monday and Tuesday as well. But I'm going to do my best to still continue to give you guys the necessary lessons and materials because we still want to have our test next Thursday. Um, just because of pacing and all of that, especially for AP, we got to keep pushing through. So I'll do my best to still support you guys, and we'll figure something out with the tests. We'll probably make it open glossary for everybody, just to give you guys a little bit of help on that since I'll have missed several days of class. Anyway, um, so just let me know, guys. I'll still be checking my computer, obviously, since I'm feeling fine. And if you guys have questions or anything like that, I will be happy to help you. How class will work for the next couple of days? You guys are going to be using the OneNote still. As you guys can see here, we have our packet for today. I'm combining both AP and US history for this Friday lesson. And you guys will just follow through with it on your own. Today I'm going to have a different Pear Deck link for each class, so it's a little bit easier for me to grade them. So just make sure you guys click on the correct link. You can also follow through the activities in the OneNote, but if you do that, send me the OneNote or something like that so I can give you the grade. So on that note, if you've checked your IC, you guys will see that I did actually grade today's Pear Deck from when I was gone. For regular history students, this doesn't necessarily apply to you, but for AP students, that is in IC. So if you guys still want to try to get that done, if you didn't, then you still have the opportunity. Just let me know once it is finished, and I'll make sure to get that grade in for you. So some announcements, guys. You should have enough time for the Pear Deck to fully get through today. But if you don't, please make sure you do get it done so I can give you guys credit. For AP, you guys also need to check out that Chapter 24 video. It's printed. It's on the table when you come in. But you guys also have the link in here in the OneNote. And then again, test is going to come up next week. Please make sure you guys have that glossary ready. It's going to be a DBQ. So we'll, keep working through these packets. And even though I'm not there, still am wanting to make sure that you guys are holding yourselves accountable to getting this material and listening to these videos or whatever it is that I'm assigning on any given day. One other thing for today's class, I decided just to keep it simple. We're going to watch another sort of little documentary. It is 27 minutes, you guys can see here, so you'll have the first bit of class to get through your do now and some background reading, and then you guys can finish that documentary, and then we'll have a little exit ticket for you as well. So same thing for as yesterday. You guys will check out the Pear Deck. You'll work through it. There's do now questions, all of that sort of stuff. Looks a little different on my screen because this is the teacher facing screen, but nonetheless, I will be checking on it and want to give you guys credit for that. So anyway, I think at this point I'm rambling. Let me know what you guys need. Let me know if you have questions, and I'm happy to help. So take care, guys, and I will see you on Wednesday when I am back.